All right, guys, so everything is happening so fast, and right now chainbase airdrop is here finally. All right, so just yesterday they took their snapshots, and things has been working properly with this project. We believe that it could be the next big one, though we do not really know. But from the way that they operate, from the way they are, this is actually a layer one blockchain project. All right, so right now, guys, everything is straightforward right here, but the major thing that we're going to be talking about on this video is their TGE date, their listing date, and all you need to know ahead of this, ahead of what's coming. So actually, this airdrop, I introduced this airdrop to my community around January, I think. So since then, that has been the time we started grinding this airdrop. Actually, on January 19th, I actually introduced this airdrop to my community, and right now, guys, it is almost time for us to reap the reward for our labor. So to start with, they actually launched a campaign with OKX where they are actually giving out 200,000 C is actually their token, the ticker for their token. So right now, guys, the link to this place, this website is going to be right there on the video description box. So over here, guys, this is where you can participate on the current campaign that they are actually running in partnership with OKX. On this campaign, 4,000 lucky winners are going to be selected to share 200,000 C tokens. So this C tokens is their token, that is the airdrop that we are going to be getting. And over here, to be able to share from this, it is very simple. Over here, you are only required to connect your wallet, and after connecting your wallet, then you go ahead and follow their X account, join their Telegram, join their Discord, follow their wallet on X, and of course this is OKX wallet. You follow OKX wallet, then of course the wallet that you are going to be connecting should hold at least 10 USD. All right, so that is basically that's basically all you need to know about this current campaign. And if you are lucky enough to get selected, then you are going to be sharing from 200,000 C tokens. Already about 60.9 thousand persons has already participated on this, and it is only 4,000 persons that will be selected. So your chances of surviving here is very slim, though do not give up, because you could be the right person to win this. So do not give up, go ahead and try. So right now, let's go and discuss the most important thing. The most important thing include the TGE date, and this that is also the listing date. And over here, guys, you can see this is where they actually made the announcement right here concerning the campaign with OKX. And of course, to tell you how huge this project is, you can see that they are going to be listing on Binance Alpha, though this doesn't in any way guarantee that they will be listing at a very good price, though the price that they will be listing doesn't mean really matter. What matters the most is the allocation that we'll be getting. So over here, guys, you can see that they are going to be listing on Binance, obviously, and of course when you scroll up right here, you can see that Mexi Crypto Exchange has also confirmed that they are going to be listing this token. And of course, the listing date for the chainbase airdrop is on the 14th of July. All right, so on the 14th of July, and today's date is 12th, so it's going to be listing on the next 3 days exact. All right, so over here, guys, you have now known the listing date, and right now let's proceed. When you scroll up right here, you can see that they actually did a lot of cool stuff right here, because you can see that they will also be listing on BitGet. So we are also expecting a whole lot of exchanges to announce that they will be listing this project, because this is of course 3 a.m. at night, and in the morning time, this is already morning, but when the day gets even brighter, a lot of exchanges are going to be announcing that they will be listing this token as well. So this is all you need to know right now. So if you faded on this chainbase airdrop, do not panic. A whole lot of airdrop are being dropped every single day on our Telegram channel. Simply use the link right there on the video description to actually get to our Telegram, where you need to stay, so that whenever we drop any any new updates, you will be the first to know about it. So this is basically all we need to know right now about the chainbase airdrop. If you participated on it, then congratulations, because we are about to cash out massively. All right, so this is all you need to know right now. If you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe so that whenever we post new video, you'll be the first to know about it. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.